Signmaster Pro Contour Cutting Operation Tutorial. How to set contour cutting through Signmaster Pro. Drag the ready designed file directly into Signmaster. Click Accept. Adjust the position. Box select this file. Click Create Cut Contour. Adjust the width of the margin. Click Accept. Box select this file. Click Contour Cutting Wizard. Click Save as PDF. Tick off Save as PLT. Then click Save as PLT. Click Next. Select the save location and click Save. Copy the PLT file to the USB flash disk and put it on cutting platter USB port for cutting.